Janfan has been a family business for nearly 50 years. We have always been a true air circulator specialist and considered the fan of choice for heavy-duty industrial fan users in North America. Janfan offers 20-inch, 24-inch, and 30-inch heavy-duty industrial air circulators. A full range of replacement fan parts and accessories are available to support our customers' needs. Hi, my name is Russ Tobin from Janfan. I am going to show you the features and benefits of our product which overcome the problems associated with air circulators. I'm sure you've all noticed by now, but I want to point out that all of our fans are safety yellow in color. The reason for that is high visibility in the plants. The other important thing to realize about this guard is it looks very large. The reason for that is we have 2.5-inch clearance from any point of that blade to the guard, front, top, or back. Huge clearance. One for safety, you have to go in a long way before you can get hurt. The other is maintenance. When your guards have that much clearance, if they get hit or banged around in the plant during a cleaning process or whatever, our fans will still run because you've got to dent the guard in that far before you damage the blade. Another part of our hinging guard is the quick mounting ring. Do you see how this is tooled up here? All right. Well, what we have on our motors already is pre-installed nuts, serrated flange nuts, so there's no washers to deal with. So you simply go like this, walk up to the fan, and you're all set to go. At the end of these radial rib wires, fan guards have always gone together with hooks. Okay? So you'd have 12 hooks at the end of each one of these radial rib wires. What that requires is 2 big screwdrivers, and you have to actually pry each hook from the front guard over onto the back guard. It's a very difficult and time-consuming chore. So this design, we call it our hinging guard system. Okay? We got rid of all those hooks, and now we have loops on the guard. Nothing to fight with anymore. You can actually put this guard together or take it apart using no tools. All right? Very simple. Because we have 4 safety hinge pins on here, whichever hinge pin you leave in actually acts as your hinge. So we can hinge it this way, or if there's an I-beam on that side, I leave in this hinge pin. We hinge it this way, we can hinge it up, we can hinge it down, whichever way you want. It's a real nice added feature to the hinging guard. But now you can see that the way this guard positively locks with the safety hinge pins, it is definitely the fastest and quickest assembly fan guard there is in the market today. The Janfan blade is designed for maximum air delivery. Our blades are made out of a heavy-duty spring-type steel. You'll notice we have the hub on the front of the blade. Instead of the normal Allen head set screws, we've gone to square head bolts. The reason is it's much easier for your maintenance people with a wrench to really reef down on there. For safety reasons, that blade is then on there nice and tight. One of the most important aspects of the fan is the blade. Most fan companies today manufacture their blades out of aluminum. With an aluminum blade, if I go like this, that fan blade is shot. Because the Janfan is made out of a heavy-duty, spring-type steel, there is no other fan on the market that can do this. One huge benefit about our 3 different fan sizes is a 20-inch, 24-inch, and 30-inch fan all use the same motor. It is totally enclosed, permanently lubricated, ball bearing motor. What we've done here is we put the switch in the capacitor in its own separate unit here called the motor modular end dome. Now let's say we're looking at a competitor's fan and that fan is hanging up on an I-beam and you have a $4 switcher capacitor go bad. They have to go up to that fan, take the whole fan down, take it to the workbench and go into the motor windings itself and repair it. It's a couple-hour job at least. Well, with the Janfan, this is really quite a unique invention. By putting the 2 troublemakers in this rear end unit, our customers stock a couple of these in the crib. If there's a problem over in Bay 41 with the Janfan, an electrician simply takes one of these out of the crib, walks up to the fan, just disconnect the power so it's safe to work on the fan. You simply loosen 3 screws. You don't even take them out. You twist, you go like this, you take off your bad end bell, Put on your new one, connect your power, and you're good to go again. Very quick, very simple. The fan unit is repaired right on site. This is our 2-speed pull chain switch motor end dome. It is a strong stainless steel bead. It's fully recessed, fully protected. Okay, you drop your motor, that switch does not get hurt. You pull, when you mount the fan in the air, no matter where you mount it, it's a straight down pull every time, and the pressure is on here, not on the switch. Janfan manufactures 2 styles of switching systems. I have just shown you the pull chain switch style. What we have done is designed our 2-speed, trouble-free drop cord switch. As you can see, both styles of switching systems are completely interchangeable. It's very simple. Just like changing out the modular motor end dome, everything is keyed, tooled up the exact same way. Same quick connection here. Now this drop cord switch style of switching has really become popular in that it really is trouble-free. What we have here is a rocker switch with switch protectors on each side of it. It's center off, so we have high, center off, and low. So the big benefit of this is you still get your 2 speeds down at floor level. No matter what type of structural steel you are mounting to, Janfan has a prefabricated fan mount. Of course, as you can see, we have the traditional pedestal style fans. Now, most fans in industrial plants today are mounted up overhead to get the fans off of the floors. That's so they don't walk away at lunch hour, and also they become tripping hazards as well. So no matter what type of structural steel you have in the plant, we have a mount ready for you. A very important feature of our product is that all Janfan designs have been completely interchangeable with all previous designs. This means a lot to your maintenance people. A huge cost savings feature of our product is our newly patented energy saving module. The dip switch has 4 settings, 4, 5, 6, or 10 hours. Whatever you set the dip switch to, that's what when the fan is going to turn off. Now the beautiful part about this energy saving module is that it installs and is up inside the motor, so nobody can mess with it. So if you set that dip switch setting on 10 hours, you install it in the motor, just fits right in line with your quick connectors, so it's very simple, very easy to install. Now I've got that dip switch on the 10-hour setting. So a person comes in the morning, turns the fan on, it's going to run for 10 hours, and then it's going to shut off. Janfan also manufactures a 12-inch fan. This little fan is a true workhorse. It is 3 speeds, totally enclosed motor, permanently lubricated, and very energy efficient. Each 12-inch fan comes just as you see it, as a tabletop fan. But inside every carton also comes a wall mount bracket. The Janfan system ensures that your in-plant health and safety needs are met. We provide a massive inventory that is monitored to provide same-day shipments if ordered before 2 p.m. The modular motor end domes allow for quick motor repairs versus costly motor replacement. Our very energy efficient motors use much less energy. The patented energy saving module will automatically shut the fan off, which will save energy dollars, dirt buildup on fan, and will extend the life of the motor. Our 2-year warranty on the 12-inch fans and our 5-year warranty on the 20-inch, 24-inch, and 30-inch fans guarantees long, useful life. We want you to try one of our fans in your facility. Janfan is sure that you will be completely satisfied with your purchase. If within 60 days of purchasing your first Janfan as a test, you are not entirely satisfied with the fan and its features, the purchase price will be refunded to you.